Hello everyone, and welcome to our channel. Today we are going to practice English speaking together by learning useful daily sentences that you can repeat after me. Before we begin, let us remember the wise words of Nelson Mandela. If you talk to a man in a language he understands, that goes to his head. If you talk to him in his language, that goes to his heart. Our goal here is to help you connect with others from the heart. In this lesson, we will cover daily sentences about greetings, introducing yourself, daily routines, work conversations, and many other. These are the most common situations where English is used in everyday life. For each sentence, I will also give you polite and natural alternatives. This will make your English sound more attractive, flexible, and confident when speaking. We will practice simple and clear sentences, and the more you repeat them, the more natural they will feel. Listen carefully, repeat after me, and don't worry about mistakes. Remember, the most important thing is to keep practicing. Let's get started. Greetings. Good afternoon. It's nice to see you. Use this when you meet someone politely in the morning, afternoon, or evening. It shows respect and care for their well-being. Hi there, how are you today? Good morning, how are you today? Hello, how have you been? Meeting someone. It's wonderful to finally meet you in person. This is polite when you meet someone for the first time. It helps you make a warm first impression. I'm pleased to meet you. Nice to meet you, finally. It's a pleasure to meet you. Introducing yourself. Let me introduce myself quickly. This is the most common way to tell someone who you are. It's direct and clear. Hello, my name is. I'm called. You can call me. Talking about daily routine. I usually start my day with a cup of tea. This sentence is helpful in conversations about lifestyle or habits. It shows discipline and daily routine. I get up early every day. I rise early each morning. Every morning I wake. Asking about breakfast. Do you usually eat something light in the morning? Use this when you are curious about someone's daily routine. It's also a great small talk question. When do you typically eat breakfast? At what time do you have your first meal? What's your usual breakfast time? Getting ready for work. I should leave soon. Work is waiting for me. This is a natural way to excuse yourself when you must prepare for your job. It's time for me to prepare for work. I have to get dressed for my job. I should get ready to go to work. Talking about dinner. Shall we decide the menu for tonight? Use this in family or friend conversations. It makes others feel included in decision-making. What would you like to have for dinner? What's on the menu for this evening? What shall we eat for dinner? Asking for a report. Could you update me with the latest file? A polite request often used in professional emails or office conversations. Please send me the report when you can. Can you forward the report to me? I need you to send me the report. Talking about projects. I'm busy finishing a task for my team. This is a good phrase when you want to share your current work or progress in a professional setting. I'm currently developing a new project. I've started a new work project. My focus is on a new project. Asking for time to talk. Is this a good moment to speak with you? A respectful way to check if someone is available without interrupting them. Are you free for a quick chat? Could I have a word with you? Do you have some time to spare? Scheduling a meeting. Let's plan something for the coming days. Perfect for planning at work. It shows organization and teamwork. We should set up a meeting for next week. Let's arrange a meeting sometime next week. Can we organize a meeting for next week? Asking the price. Could you tell me how much this item is? This is the most direct way to ask for a price while shopping. What is the price of this? How much do I owe for this? What's the price for this item? Saying you are browsing. I'm just having a quick look around. A polite way to tell shopkeepers you don't need help yet. I am only looking. Thanks. I don't need help right now. Thank you. No thank you, I'm fine. Asking about colors. Do you have this shirt in blue? Useful when shopping for clothes or items you want in another style. Is this available in another color? Are there other colors of this item? Could I see this in a different color? Asking for a receipt. Could I please have proof of purchase? Always ask this after shopping, especially if you may need to return the item. May I please get a receipt? I need the receipt, please. Could you give me the receipt? Talking about weekend plans. Are you doing anything fun this weekend? A friendly way to start small talk and show interest in others' lives. What are you doing this weekend? Do you have any plans for the weekend? How will you be spending your weekend? Talking about weather. It feels really warm outside today. One of the most common small talk sentences in English. Easy and polite. It's a beautiful day, isn't it? Such nice weather we're having. It's a great day, isn't it? Asking about hobbies. What do you usually do when you're free? A warm way to learn about someone's interests and build friendship. What are your hobbies? How do you spend your free time? What do you enjoy doing for fun? Ending a conversation. Let's catch up again sometime soon. Use this to politely close a friendly conversation. It was nice to talk to you again. I really enjoyed our conversation. It was good to see you. Expressing tiredness. I didn't sleep well last night, so I'm a bit tired. A natural way to share how you feel when someone asks about your day. I feel a little weary today. I'm feeling quite exhausted today. Today has been a long day and I am tired. Expressing gratitude. Thanks a lot for your kindness. Gratitude makes your English warmer and more polite. I really appreciate your assistance. Your help means a lot to me. Thank you very much. Asking someone to speak slowly. Could you go over that more slowly, please? This is very helpful if you're still learning and need clarity. Would you mind speaking more slowly? Please slow down a bit. I'm still learning English. Please speak slowly. Asking for repetition? I didn't quite hear you. Could you repeat that? A polite way to continue the conversation without feeling embarrassed. Sorry, I didn't get that. Can you say it again? I'm not sure I understand. Please repeat. Could you please repeat what you said? And that is all for today. Keep practicing these sentences daily. Remember that consistency is key to becoming a confident English speaker. You are doing a great job, so keep going. Thank you for joining us today. We will see you in the next lesson. Goodbye for now.